Good day, everyone. Today in this tutorial, I'll share the simplest and the perfect way to create a clean, professional resume for your first job, or if you're experienced, you can create a wonderful, a professional looking resume in few minutes. So we will be using Microsoft Word for the same, and once you open it, you just need to select blank document and then go to file and click on home. You will find new blank, welcome to Word, more templates. So we need to click on more templates and search for online templates. Now we will only search resume and we will hit enter, and it will search thousands of resume and types of resume like photo resume, geometric resume, modern initials resume, color block resume, basic modern resume. So you can try whatever you want to, and I would recommend like creative sales resume. Let's click on that, and the moment you click on that, it will ask you to select create, and you just have to smartly edit the name, about me section, experience, education, and I'll press control and I'll use the scroll button of my mouse to just make it smaller or bigger. So you can, it's a single page, you can add more pages, and you can create resume for yourself. You can try different types of resume, and whatever works for you, you can simply paste it and you can create your resume. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.